face box. Could it be? Could it be the anti-noise makers? Ah! Should have just named this car Project Amazon. Two nondescript white boxes? That's just what I've been waiting. It's one box, I lied. Let me get it out. Alright, so these are Black Horse Racing, whoever the hell they are. Single chamber, 2.5, just because that's what is under the car right now. And, you know, the thing ain't making 8,000 horsepower yet, so 2.5 should be plenty. See how good they look. I've always put like actual Flowmasters on most of everything I've owned. So I've usually had like dual chambers, whatever. I've never had a set of single chambers. I've always wanted them because, well, they look like a muffler, but they're still loud. Oh, it is so cute. Yeah. They're like 8 inches, maybe? That's, there's my hand. It's like the size of a hand. Inlay? That must be French. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do real quick. I'm going to fire the car up. This is going to be just the open X-pipe, H-pipe, whatever you want to call the piece of crap that's under there. Fire it up with just that, so we kind of get a good before and after. I'm going to let it run for a minute, you know, and then hopefully tonight I'll get the exhaust finished. Kind of depends. I still got to do dinner and all that kind of fun stuff, but don't know if we'll get to start it tonight if it's too late, you know, because I want to get everything mocked up, take it out, fully weld it, put it back in. I got some hangers I'm going to do. Anyways, let's get to what we're waiting for. Let's hear the thing fire up. So there's a quick little before I fumigate myself and I pass out. Thing is super rich, but runs damn good. So there's a before, like I just said. Like I said, these mufflers, if you guys are interested, I bought these bad lads off of Amazon. I think it was like $44 for both. They did have other sizes, but like I said, the X-pipe, H-pipe, Y-pipe, U-pipe, whatever that's underneath the car is 2.5. So I figured for now, for ease of installation, I went with 2.5. Got some 2.5 pipe there. Just got some hokey jokey turn downs. Because race car, who needs full exhaust? So these should be, I mean, I'm not going to say an exact copy of a Flowmaster single chamber, but for $44 for two of them, I'll buy it, you know. And to me, I think they're going to last because this car's not going to see any kind of weather or anything like that. I think we'll be fine. We'll work on getting them installed, and we'll go from there. Since I'm like a little kid and absolutely cannot help myself, I've got everything's just kind of sitting together. Nothing's tacked. It's all literally just laying on each other. I want to hear what it's going to sound like. It's probably all going to just fall apart, so I'm going to set you up down there, and you're going to watch. That's gonna fucking rock. I can't wait to drive it. Alright, we're gonna get this one side welded up. I still gotta figure out I need like 3 inches more for the other side. But let's get this side tacked in and get going from there. Should probably move the vacuum before I end up divorced, because yeah, gotta be the world's heaviest vacuum. Jesus. Everything's falling apart around here. Including the power. Apparently we can't run the welder off that circuit. That's awesome. Guess the lights are on the same one. Alright, we got some lights back on. Let's see how long we can go this time. That's a little gooder. I'm going to say that's half the muffler welded up. Now we just need to weld the confluctor on down there. Get the confluctor on and we'll be good to go. Tell you what, as much as I hate the Tool Truck Mafia, that there snap-on welder, it's probably one of the best welders I've ever used. I love that thing. Oh, I welded it on backwards. No, but that'd be terrible. Well, there's one side done. That's for the driver's side. Nice and steamy, smoky hot. Welds are nice and hot. I'll take it. I'd buy that for $1. Bet you my hair looks crazy, don't it? So as I play Django with mufflers here, we're going to get the other turn down welded on. And yeah, this is Ghetto Fab over here. I did buy those from O'Reilly because I'm cheap and I didn't want to wait. And all my nice mandrel bent stuff I have is all 2 1/4. That was all going to be used for hot side stuff. I don't have any 2 1/2-ish. So yeah, it'll give it that brrrr sound. Real fancy stuff going on for the passenger side one. This is the type of stuff here, using pieces to make pieces. You only see this at high-end fabrication shops. Not so much in the little shop of horrors we got going on here, but horrors, not whores. Get it right. So, got the whole thing fit where I wanted. I'm going to weld this solid, weld that solid, get it back under the car. I can tack it, and then I can get that removed all from out from underneath the car, weld that solid, and we're good to go. Looks like we're 100% welded up. This thing is super friggin' hot. See, look at that, no gap. Looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna go out of here before I die of whatever poisonous fumes are coming out of that, and get that one tacked on. Alright, well, it's not 100% done, but I got it kind of sort of welded on the bottom. It was spitting and sputtering. Yep, good English here again. But that's pretty much what we're rocking with here. I got some hangers I'm going to put and bolt into the floor to hold them up, but obviously I'm not going to do that yet. It's all got to come off to weld the top sides and weld it nice and get rid of that garbage clamp, weld that up. I mean, it's not the nicest X pipe, H pipe, Q pipe, whatever you want to call it, but it'll do for now. It was already on the car. Let's fire it up and hear what she's going to sound like, because that's what I'm dying to do. Alright, I'm going to put you guys right down where the action is. Let's hear what she sounds like. Up here fiddling with the carburetor a little bit. This is the first time I've touched it. I hate these carburetors. The worst carburetor ever built. Let's see what she does now. Idling right around 1,000. Set up the oil pressure. Seems like it likes these idle mixture screws only like So, that's gonna be the end of the exhaust video from the Little House of Horrors here, I guess. Man, every time I work on this car, I just want to drive it. But now, the exhaust is done-ish. It's going for a ride this weekend. We'll see what these little old Indy profiles from 1942, see if they can hold up. Well, if you made it to the end of this video, guys, thank you for watching. Again, these mufflers, if you didn't hear me say a million times, Amazon specials, copy of a Flowmaster single chamber. This video was obviously filmed before the Pools and Chaos video. Dog, what are you making noise for out there? Anyways, this was filmed before that. I just wanted to get you guys some content of seeing the car actually go down the road. This weekend, whatever day it is, it's supposed to be nice out here in Illinois. So I'm planning on power washing the underneath of the car, the underhood of the car, everything. Get a clean surface to work on, and next is going to become all the wiring videos. If you're not friends with us on Facebook, go find the Facebook page, Foy's Automotive. If you're on Instagram, Foy's Automotive. There's been some sneak peeks of some cool new stuff we have. Go check it out.